If you're looking for a great tasting hot sauce, then you're in the right place. This blackberry hot sauce goes great on burgers, steak, chicken, and even ice cream. For the ingredients, you'll need blackberries, peppers. I'm using scorpion peppers, but you can use any peppers depending on your taste. Garlic, apple cider vinegar, agave nectar or honey, it's up to your preference, allspice, lemon juice, and lastly, cinnamon. To start, we're going to place our blackberries, peppers, and garlic in a saucepan and turn on our stove onto low heat and stir for a few minutes until everything is soft. Next, we'll place our ingredients into a blender. Start out with the peppers, berries, and garlic that we just roasted. Next, add 1 cup of apple cider vinegar. Followed by 2 tablespoons of honey or agave nectar. A generous squeeze of lemon juice. About a 1/4 teaspoon of allspice. A 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Once everything's added, we're going to blend until smooth. After blending, we're going to take our mixture and pour it through a strainer into a clean saucepan to remove any remaining chunks. Next, we need to pasteurize our sauce by simmering it for 15 to 20 minutes. This prevents it from fermenting after it's bottled, which could make it explode and also kills any harmful bacteria. If planning on storing your sauce for a long period of time, you need to check the pH using a pH meter or, in my case, pH strips. You're looking for a pH below 4.0, which will prevent bacteria growth. As soon as your sauce is done simmering, you need to pour it into a sanitized bottle or jar. Pouring the sauce while still hot will kill any harmful bacteria that could be lingering in the bottle. After you've screwed on the lid, flip the bottle over for about 10 minutes so that the heat can sanitize the top. I'd love to hear in the comments what you guys thought about this sauce. If you liked it, I'd really appreciate it if you could share this video, give it a thumbs up, and maybe even subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.